Hello second grade, welcome back. It's a pleasure for me that you are here today. I hope you are ready as always to start with this new class. First of all, I want to say thank you because you all are sending me your activities on time. But if you are missing one of these activities, please try to be on time. Try to do these activities that you are missing because, as you know, they are pretty important for your grades, right? Now, first of all, we are going to review about the activities that we did yesterday, as always. And first of all, we started by doing a review about the vocabulary from this unit, and this unit number 4, it's called In My Town, and we are learning about places that we can visit here in the city, such as church, train station, gas station, movie theater, bank, restaurant, supermarket, and then we know that there are some others, and we did the activities from pages 34 and 35 from the workbook, of course. So today we're going to do also activities from the workbook, but first of all, it's pretty important that we review this topic, that is, there is and there are. So this is super important for us to practice because in this with this topic we are going to learn how to we are going to learn making questions about places. Like, for example, if I go to another city or another country or another town, I don't know this place, or I need to ask the people. For example, I want to go to the shopping mall, but I don't know this city. I need to ask someone, is there a shopping mall in here? Is there a shopping mall near here? So, and I'm showing you these examples. These examples are different from the ones that we did the last week, because I'm showing you a different map. Why is this? Because we need to practice more about this. And we have the first example says, is there a church on the road? And we have, this is the road. You need to pay attention always at the maps, because they are going to tell you, like, for example, if you don't see like any hospitals in the maps, it means that we don't have a hospital in that town. So, but this is a different map. And is there a church on the road? Like, when I say road, or for example street in this case, or sometimes you have the name of the street. A veces te dan el nombre de la calle, el nombre de la avenida o así. Tú tienes que ubicar muy bien en el mapa. For example, we have that this is called road. Este se llama road, okay? So, in this case, cuando tenemos así, o por ejemplo aquí que tenemos street, o estas son calles pequeñas que se llaman drive, Springfield Drive, esas son unas callecitas pequeñas. Tienes que fijarte de ambos lados. ¿Qué quiero decir con esto? Ambos lados significa, por ejemplo, street. Si street va toda esta calle que está larga, significa que tengo que fijarme del lado izquierdo y del lado derecho. Depende de lo que me estén preguntando, sea lo que sea que me estén preguntando, tengo que prestar atención a ambos lados, porque a lo mejor el hospital no está del lado derecho, pero hay uno del lado izquierdo y sigue siendo la misma calle, ¿ok? So, it's important to pay attention to this. Is there a church on the road? So, this is the road. In this side, we don't have anything. De este lado no tenemos nada. No logramos ver lo que hay de ese lado. But we can see traffic lights. We have a house. And then we have a hospital. But I don't see any churches in here. Pero no veo ninguna iglesia. So, my answer is no, there isn't. Okay? Now, another question. Remember, all the questions start by is there. Todas las preguntas inician con is there porque son singular, ¿ok? Es muy importante que recuerdes esto. Then we have, is there a bank on the street? Okay, we need to pay attention to this street right now. I'm trying to find out where is the bank. Okay, here we have hospital, church, and then we have Springfield Drive. It's supposed to be a park, a bank. Yes, there's a bank. Yes, there is. También puedes decir yes, there is a bank, but we are learning how to answer by short answers. So for this reason, we are going to use yes, there is. Then we have another example. Is there a hospital near the houses? Near the houses. Ok, cerca de las casas. Las casas están aquí. And I need to find where's the hospital. Ok, the hospital is in here. El hospital está al otro lado de la calle. But I think it's pretty near. Está de la otra calle, pero yo creo, a mi punto de vista, que sí está cerca, ¿no? Nada más está cruzando la calle. Yes, there is. So, right now we are going to do the activities for today. And for today we have 2 pages from the workbook. And we have pages 36 and 37. We have page 36 first of all. And this page has activity 4, read and check. So this is a short story that we read in the student's book, but it's like shorter, está más corta. Is there a bookstore? And you need to read this story like she's talking to her dad and they are hanging out, and you are going to check. It says, what kind of shops are there? Dependiendo de lo que leímos, vamos a palomear. There's a bookstore. Check or not check. There's a movie theater. There's a computer store. There are restaurants. Ahora, en este caso, we are going to use there are because it's plural. En este caso, no vamos a usar there's porque está en plural. Tenemos restaurants. Quiere decir que son 2 o más. Son varios restaurantes, no solo uno. There are supermarkets. We are going to check or nothing. Si no palomeamos, si la respuesta es no, entonces no ponemos nada. No es necesario que pongamos una tachita, porque no lo dice la instrucción. Think big activity. What's in your town? Read and circle. Bank, supermarket, movie theater, restaurant, or train station. It depends. Also, we are going to do these activities based on our town, that our town is Merida, of course. Now we have page 37 from the workbook, and we have activity 5. Listen and follow the path. Okay, and then we have this thing. We have this man and a girl, and then we have post office, gas station, bookstore, supermarket, computer store, bus stop, restaurant, train station, and then we have movie theater. I'm going to play an audio and you need to follow the path. And they are going to mention the different places that you see in this picture, but not all of them. Vas a escuchar algunos de los lugares, pero no todos. Y vas a ir siguiendo el camino que ellos te van a ir diciendo y vas a ir marcando sobre las líneas. Okay, it's pretty easy. So pay attention to this, but if you miss yourself in this, you can play again this audio so you can finish the activities. So let's pay attention to this carefully. You can play it one more time if you need this, but let's listen.
Workbook, page 37, activity 5. Listen and follow the path.
What do you want to do today, Mary?
I want to go to the movie theater.
Okay, but first, I want to send a letter.
Is there a post office near your house?
Yes, there is. Let's go.
Grandpa, I want to buy a book for Mom. Is there a bookstore near here?
Yes, there is. The bookstore is next to the post office.
Grandpa, I'm hungry. Is there a restaurant near here?
Yes, there is. Let's eat lunch.
Grandpa, I still want to see a movie. Is there a movie theater near here?
No, there isn't.
Oh well.
There is a movie theater, Mary, but it's not near here.
Really? Can we take a bus?
Yes, there's a bus stop right over there. Let's go to the movie theater.
Great!
Okay, so that was it. Now we can finish and do activity 6, but before we do this activity 6, you needed to finish activity 5. It says, look at 5, right. Where do they go? Ok, so, ahora que ya terminaste de hacer el ejercicio 5, es importante que vayamos escribiendo en el orden de todos los lugares a los que fueron. So, the first place was post office, right? And you needed to go from this way. Necesitabas ir por este camino, okay? Then we have number 2. What was the second place that they went to? ¿Cuál fue el segundo lugar a los que fueron? Then the third place, fourth place, and fifth place. And that's it. Don't forget to take pictures of these 2 pages and send them to me, because as you know, this is super important and it's going to help you a lot. And that's it for today. I'll see you the next time. Remember that tomorrow we are going to meet at the Zoom meeting and we are going to be using the Step Inside book. It's super important that you are prepared for this class. Yes, and you prepare your Step Inside book and try to be on time, because it's pretty and super important to be on time for the classes so we don't miss anything. And that's it for today. I hope to see you tomorrow on time. I'll meet you there. Goodbye.